How to show volume level on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings. In Settings, go to Sounds and Vibration. In Sounds and Vibration, scroll down and you'll find Volume. In here, there's no one way to see percentage of sound level, but you can do it on your own. If you increase the volume, that means if it's to the right, that means it is 100%. Scroll down 90, 80, 70, and that way you can analyze on your own what is the volume level, and after you do this, you're good to go. In that way you can see the volume level of alarm as well. And after you do this, you're good to go. This is how to show volume level on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.